guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that I have a new advent calendar to show you guys. This is by Sydney Grace. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, this is the Sydney Grace Advent Calendar Tote for 2024. I actually was turned on by this company by Rena over at Boxes and Deals. She's a good friend of mine, and she had told me about this when they did their mystery boxes, and that's how I got a few of, well, I got one palette and I got like a lot of different shadows because I got one of each of the mystery boxes. So that's how I started to kind of like get introduced to them and start to grow my collection. And then when she showed me that they have their advent calendar, I'm like, okay, don't say no more. I definitely want to snag that because the other mystery boxes were really good. I was able to keep a lot of the products and I saved some to put in giveaways for you guys. So same thing's going to apply because some products in here, you can literally go to their website and see everything. There's a list that tells you, and then you can keep going and it'll show you actually photo images of everything that's inside. Or if you want to be surprised, you just don't look at that spoiler page. But everything is in here, and I know that there are some products that I don't really use, so those will be saved for you guys, and everything else I'm super excited to try out and see what it is. So let's go ahead and dive in and see everything that's inside. This here is $110 if you buy it by itself. I actually did get it when they were doing their Black Friday deal. I don't remember how much came off. It was like 30% or something, but it took off $38.50, bringing my total down to $71.50. So that was a huge discount, and I'm like, heck yeah, because again, I love advent calendars. I've never got this one as an advent calendar, only the mystery boxes, and so I'm like, let's go ahead and try that out. Get ready for a festive and fun experience with our 2024 Advent Tote Bag. Packed with 12 mystery items, this tote offers a delightful twist on the traditional countdown. It features 12 beauty surprises in a stylish black and white tote, and the total value of the items in the tote, not including the tote itself, is over $225. So over that, if you add the tote, is the value in this advent calendar, and I'm so excited. When you open it up, oh, there is, there's a little free sticker on top, and it says November, Sydney Grace. Look at how beautiful that is with the owl. That is gorgeous. And then there's a free, and I remember in my mystery boxes that I got, because then I think I did 2 different orders that time, there was always a free shadow in there, which, I mean, nobody has to give anything out for free, but this company does, and I think that's amazing. So look at this beautiful color blue. This here, let me tell you what the color is, because they're on the backs of them. It is Polar Bear. Oh my goodness, that is a super pretty color. Look at that. And that's just a free one. That's not even included in the calendar. And the only thing I did purchase was the calendar. So I didn't get anything in addition this time because I want to actually grow my shadow collection with the singles that are inside of this. So I'm really excited. If you do see this white thing in my ear, don't pay no attention to that. Pay no mind of that. I'm listening to my chicken coop in my ear because I need to make sure they're doing okay. I had one that pulled feathers yesterday and there was blood all over, so now I have to be more mindful to what's going on outside. So I got my ear out there. So when we open her up, there's some tissue paper, and then it looks like, okay, it looks like they're all just singly tossed on top. So here, what number is this? That's 11. All right, let me kind of put these so I can open them in order 1 through 12, which that's the great thing in these. You can grab anything out as a surprise. You can open them in order, not in order, one a day, all at the same time. You can do whichever you like. Okay, and then the last thing in here is the tote. I thought it was all just gonna come in the tote, but you do have this tote, which is really, really nice. It's black and white. It has this little like ribbon right here just to give it a little bit of flair. And it sounds like there's a bag, like a plastic bag. Yeah, there's a smaller one down inside. That is so cool. I didn't know there was going to be one inside too. This one is like a clutch style where you can toss your stuff in there and hold it like this. That would even be good when I'm traveling, so I can toss all my makeup and stuff inside of it, and it's easy to carry with me. But it's a matching bag with this tote. Oh my goodness. So yeah, all of these items and this tote is what's included. That is so cool. I love that. And I like that it's just black and white, so it'll go with anything, and it's a good size too. So let's go ahead and start with door number 1. And I love that they're in these little bags. They're all like a velvety bag. They're all black and red, so you can reuse these bags for anything. And then there's even like ribbons on them too. So like I love that it's a reusable package. So here is number 1. Let's see. Feels like there's a lot of single shadows or something. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's not just you get one for door number 1. You have all of these in here for door number 1. Damn, they barely fit in that little bag. But again, now you have this little bag that you can do anything with. You can always take this ribbon off and repurpose that as well. But here's the bag that it comes in. And all of these single shadows. They even sell a magnetic palette on their site, which I did purchase during the mystery things. And I do actually have mine sitting right here, so I can put them in at the end. So I'm so excited. So excited to grow my collection. So these colors here, oh my goodness. Let me show you what they are. Evergreen Dream, Forest Whisper, Bonfire Blaze, Cinnamon Shop, Christmas Miracle, Latte Love. And here are all 6 colors. Door number 2. And that's cute too, like these little balls, full pom-poms. It's in this box and it just says love letters. Oh, it's a perfume. I'm super excited because we got one in the mystery bundle and it smelled so good, and I'm literally just like sprayed the last little squirt out of it the other day. But I just love how it's designed, how you just pop it up and then you use it. Oh, this smells so good too. Oh yes, that does smell really good. And I love that these you can just drop down in your purse or whatever. They're good for travel. And that smells really good. So there's door number 2. Now we'll go with number 3. It does smell so good. It's a brow gel. I'm not going to open it because I personally do not use brow gel products, so I will save this for my future giveaway. But this feels like it's a metal container. Like this feels really heavy, like you have a really expensive heavy mascara. That's how this feels. So it's like a really nice plastic, which it feels nice, or it's kind of like a metal, but it's heavy. Like it feels nice in the hand. So here I will save this for one of you guys, but it is the brow gel right there. Down inside of number 4, this feels like it's a palette, and if it is, I'm gonna be excited. It is. I think it's their magnetic palette though, because it looks this. Yeah, it looks like that one. Let's see. It's already filled though, but it looks just like, because you can get this size of their magnetic palette because this matches the large size. But you guys, this is already full, and those are beautiful colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So you have 12 colors and a magnetic palette, which you can mix these, move them, switch them, do whatever you would like, but those are beautiful colors. I love how you can do like the browns, and then you have like these mauves and like these like lavenderish kind of colors here. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. So that is door number 4. Number 5 is this big bag. And I really love, again, that you can repurpose these bags because they're nice filling bags too. Okay, so down inside we have a Cloud 9 setting powder. I don't use setting powder, so I will gladly save this for one of you guys, and it just says translucent. I'll show you what the package on the inside looks like, but I won't open it. There's that. So you have a setting powder, which that's a big size too. So that's awesome. One of you guys will definitely enjoy that. So down in number 6, we have, it says Cinnamon Blaze. Let's see what kind of, ooh, I ripped that. So hopefully it's something I'm gonna keep. I'm hoping. It does look like a really pretty color like this, but I think it's like this goldish bronze color that's in that little window right there is what I'm going to assume is the color. So this, I would say, is maybe like a liquid eyeshadow or something like that. I'm not quite sure. I'm not familiar with all of her products. Again, I've only used a few from my last video with the mystery items, but the packaging looks really pretty with that mauve, but I think it's that color right there, like a bronzy coppery kind of color. So that is in day number 6. We are halfway done. We'll go with number 7. Door number 7, it looks like we have a nail polish, and it says Peppermint Kiss nail polish, 15 mil. And look at that color. That's really pretty. It's like a burgundy-ish type color. And what was it again? Peppermint Kiss. Super, super festive for the holiday. And there is the color right there. I'm not sure if I'll just add this to my nail polish collection that I don't use, or give it to one of you guys that you will use, and I probably will do that because that is so pretty that I would love for it to be used. So there's a nail polish. Now let's go with door number 8. It looks like it says C-H-E-R, maybe I-T-H. I'm not sure, but it doesn't say what type of product this is. I would maybe assume maybe this is a liquid eyeshadow or it's a lip product. It's one of the two. I don't want to open it because this will go to a future giveaway for one of you guys, but that is what the color looks like. It kind of reminds me of the nail polish almost, like the color of it. Kind of, look at that. Number 9, we're getting down to the wire. Ooh, this one, it's a face oil. It says for normal skin, tea tree, lavender, and peppermint oil. So with that lavender, I will definitely save this for one of you guys. I do not do lavender or the artificial rose, so I will gladly save this for one of you guys, but it is a face oil with tea tree, lavender, and peppermint oil. And it came in this little protected bubble wrap. Number 10. We have another filled door with shadows, single shadows. This one has 5 in it. Darling in deep tone. Venice. Sweet Cakes. Rentless Beauty. Storm. And there's all 5 from this store. Number 11, we have one more left after this. This one we have, I believe one's a highlighter and one is a blush. Ooh, and I'm really, really excited about this highlighter. I'm going to keep this to use like as a shadow on my lower lid. Last time when I had the highlighters, they were colors like too dark that I would use. So this one here, I'm going to, let me swatch this one for you really quick. This is in the color of Heaven. And yes, right there, look at that. Because that's what I use on my lower lid, and under my brow bone is a color like that. So I will definitely use that as a shadow. So I'm gonna put that in the my eyeshadow palette thing that I have over here, my magnetic one, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow. I love that. And this is a really, really pretty color, and I might use this as a eyeshadow as well. This should be a blush, and it says Time Stops. And then that is a really pretty, oh, let me just double check and make sure it's not the one. No, see, this is the one that I had last, and it's so much darker. This is a whole lot lighter. This would actually be really pretty if I really wanted to try to use a blush. So let me just swatch this one to show you guys. It's kind of like a lavender mauve color. Ooh, that is actually really pretty. So right there next to the highlighter. I really, really like both of those colors. I'm really, really happy with this door right here with these two different, and I've never said before I'm so happy about a blush and a highlighter. Now I just said that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now for the last and final day, this feels like it is the 2 brushes, because I know it did say something about 2 brushes on there. What would have been nice is if it ended with the that palette that was filled with shadows instead of like 2 brushes for the last day. But we have these 2 brushes right here. One of them says it looks like an E10 and an E06. And there are the 2 brushes. So that is what is in day number 12 to complete my 12-day advent calendar tote by Sydney Grace. Oh my goodness, I'm super, super excited. Like, I'm really, really excited about this. Plus, I love the tote and all these bags that you can reuse. So yeah, that is everything for this advent tote. All right, you guys, so that is a Sydney Grace advent calendar for 2024. What did you think of all of the items? What would have been your favorite door? I'm just super, super stoked on all of that. Well, there's 2 doors stacked of all of the single shadows, the one that has the full shadow full in that palette. And I really, really, really like this highlighter and that blush. So, oh, and the perfume smells amazing. So there's a lot of great items in here. I'm only going to be passing down a few, which is the brow product, the lip product, and maybe the brushes. Oh, and the face oil because of that lavender situation. And that's pretty much it. So what did you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear what you think in the comment section below. This is what my palette now looks like, adding the new colors. If you would like to check them out, I will have them listed in my description box for you to go and take a look at this advent calendar if you are interested. If you want to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.